download the latest version of DuckDuckGo browser. Go to duckduckgo.com/Windows if you're on Windows. If you're on Mac, go to duckduckgo.com/Mac. Download the installer and run it. Follow the setup steps and launch the browser. Once the installation is complete, follow these simple steps. First, click Let's Do This. In the next step, you can decide whether to make DuckDuckGo your default browser. Click Make DuckDuckGo your default if you'd like, or select Skip. The following step allows you to import bookmarks and passwords from your previous browser. You can skip this as well, but here's what happens if you click Import Now. After clicking Import Now, you'll see a list of installed browsers. You can select any of them. For example, I'll choose Opera GX, but you should select the browser you want to import data from. Once selected, click Import Now. An import summary will appear showing how many bookmarks and passwords were transferred. At this point, you can choose to sync this data to your mobile device by following the provided steps, or simply click Done. Then click Next. Next, you can choose whether to use the Duck Player ad-free video player. Select your preference and continue. You'll then be asked about the bookmarks bar. Click Show Bookmarks bar to make it visible, or choose Skip. The next option is restoring previous websites on startup. I personally prefer not to enable this, as I like starting each browsing session fresh and avoiding too many open tabs. If you feel the same, click Skip. Next, you can decide whether to add a shortcut to your homepage. Home pages are less important today, since you can search directly from the address bar. However, if you have a favorite site, adding a shortcut can be convenient. Make your choice, then click Next. The final step is AI integration. I prefer using AI separately from browsing, so I select Search Only.